Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Tina. Wealth Pulse TV is your go-to place for legit remote job guides and AI side hustle opportunities. Today we're walking through CrowdGen, a platform that claims you can get paid to train AI online. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss future videos on remote jobs, work from home gigs, and AI training opportunities. And after this video, check out our playlist on remote job platforms. Tons of jobs and reviews waiting for you. Let's jump in. So what exactly is CrowdGen? Based on the official site, CrowdGen is a platform where contributors from around the world help train artificial intelligence systems by completing tasks. You can work from home and earn money by helping improve AI technologies like voice recognition, image evaluation, language tasks, and more. They say anyone can join, no tech experience needed, and you can work on your own schedule. Is designed to be flexible, part-time or full-time, depending on how much you want to commit. Step 1. When you first land on CrowdGen's homepage, you will see a clean breakdown of what they offer. Remote work by training AI, flexible hours, work from almost anywhere, paid through popular methods like PayPal or Payoneer once you qualify for projects. Scroll around and explore the sample projects they list. They show typical tasks like evaluate audio clips, help fact-check online posts, or rate social media videos. Next, click and explore all projects or view projects. This takes you to the available job listings. Here, you can see short-term gigs and long-term tasks, each with a description and sometimes a pay rate listed. Click on a project that interests you and you see details about the tasks and requirements. Step 3. Once you find a project you want to try, you'll need to apply. Click Get Started. Then either sign in or create an account. Follow the instructions. You will usually enter an email, create a password, and confirm your details. Some projects may ask for additional profile setup like language, skills, or location. Step 4. How to qualify for jobs. Many CrowdGen projects have a qualification step. That means you'll need to complete a short test, quiz, or training first. This helps them match you with the right AI training work. When you pass, they usually send you an email with next steps. Tip: take your time with these quizzes. They're often based on project instructions, so read carefully. Important: some users online report delays or lack of follow-up after qualifying. We recommend tracking your emails and saving screenshots of test results if you run into issues. CrowdGen says you can withdraw earnings through options like PayPal or Payoneer once you meet the minimum thresholds. Tips for success. Here are a few tips if you try. CrowdGen. Apply it to multiple projects. Increases your chances of work. Stay organized. Track what test you took and your project status. Be patient. Some parts of onboarding or verification may take days. CrowdGen by app and Trustpilot. And remember, don't pay anything to join or qualify. Legit platforms never charge you. Now, a critical word of caution. Online reviews for CrowdGen are mixed. Some workers report delays in getting assigned tasks or issues with payment, and others say customer support is slow. They are Trustpilot. That doesn't necessarily mean it's a scam, but it does mean you should go in with realistic expectations and be careful with your personal data. If something feels off, pause and research before investing more time. All right, that wraps up Our full walkthrough of CrowdGen, how to explore, apply, qualify, and start training AI tasks online. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop a comment below with your experience, and subscribe for more job walkthroughs every week. Also, make sure to check out our channel's remote job opportunities playlist. We've covered dozens of legit platforms that pay real money with step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.